Be anxious for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God. And the peace of God that surpasses all understanding will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ. Philippians 4, verses 6 to 7. This Bible verse is basically saying that with everything that you're going through in life, whether it's something happy, whether it's something sad, be not anxious for it. But through everything, let your needs be known unto God, and He will guide your steps and ensure that everything is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, we are at Ocean Coral Spring. Yes people, the new hotel out in Trelawney. We are here and I'm going to give you exclusive information about this beautiful hotel and beach resort, so stay tuned. Okay, so I've already been here for a day, so I'm already in my room, so I'm going to give you a tour of each area of the property so you know what to expect when you come here. So I'm gonna give you a tour of my room. Alright, so when you enter the room, this is what it looks like. You have the light switches and everything. When you enter the room, the bathroom is on the left and you have a little mirror coffee stand here at the right. Yeah. So when you enter the bathroom, there's this big, beautiful mirror. Beautiful. It has double sinks. So but other than this, I'm showing a view. You don't like my video yet?
Wanna subscribe? Wanna tell a friend to come watch my video? I know I don't do it. I don't go do it. Me wait on.
Thank you. Just in case you come here with your spouse or your friend, you guys can share the sink. Each of you have your own sink. So guys, they actually have a shaving kit. And this is what it looks like. They have a shower cap. They also have a dental kit. And some soaps and stuff, so along with towels. These are just a few of the stuff that we get with the room. And then there's this beautiful bathtub slash jacuzzi that you can use, and you have this toilet here and you flush it. This is the thing that you use to flush it. We know regular people are used to them some of them, but yeah, people that travel would know about this. There's also a phone in here, and then there's a little door. If you're using the bathroom and you want a little privacy, you can close the door. And then you have the shower, and it's a rainfall shower, which is completely awesome. And it has this part that you can choose to turn on instead of the rain shower to actually shower yourself better. So it's a standing shower and it's absolutely beautiful. I really don't think that this video gives this justice of how beautiful the room is. I mean, some people would say that it's regular, but I honestly like the room. The room is okay. Yeah. So, and then you have the bedroom, and this is a king-size bed. Has a fan up there, and then you have a little lounge area. And you have where you can put your stuff, the luggage and stuff, and a flat screen TV. It has a bed frame. It's pretty typical, but it's nice. It gives the room a nice look. And I think Ocean Coral Springs theme is blue and white because everything is practically blue and white. There is a little lounge chair here and a center table. And then there's a little desk there if you might want to do any job or anything like that. Pull out your laptop and do somewhere. And then there's this big beautiful mirror. I am so in love with this mirror. I love it. Me love the mirror here. Me would have taken the mirror, but Unfortunately, I'm going to when I come out at the front next to the mirror, but it's a beautiful mirror. The video really doesn't give it any justice, because when you actually come in the room, it is a statement piece. So it's a beautiful mirror. And then we have the patio. We actually got a garden view and not a swim up. Hopefully when I come back here, it's a swim up. Right, so you have this little patio that you can come out and sit and chill, and each room has a little hammock right here. I love this. I love this little hammock. It's so cute. A great spot to take pictures. And then from where I'm at, they have some hammocks out there. Well, this is a sitting hammock. And that one out there is a hammock that you can actually go out and lie down. And then they have sand right here. If you look from where my room is, you can actually see the kiddies park. So that's the kiddies park over there. I'll be going over there soon to show you guys what it is. But back up my room, and then it goes up. So this is our shop view of our room, and this is garden view. Alright, so now that I've shown you our room, I'm going to show you the rest of the property. Alright, so guys, I'm leaving the room and I'm gonna go on the property to show you what it actually looks like. Girl, I see. And this I'm one girl bathing on. I'm stressed to look a bit bad. Alright, so this is a little walk-through area where you can walk through to get to the water park. And I think they also have a jerk hut, or a little area where you can get food. It's in the morning, so if you're wondering why the place is so empty, everybody should be at the breakfast area. So this is a little section where you can get food. It seems a bit empty now because there's nobody out. There's no one out here to cater to. Okay, somebody's working out. Right. So this is the water park. It's pretty cool. If you get a room close to here, you can just come down by the water park. They have a lifeguard here, so there's a lifeguard out here when you're in the water watching. Oh, there's somebody down here. Right, so this is, they have 4 slides. And I'm just gonna go right around for you to see everything. Separate and apart from having the water park, they have some gazebo areas here where you can go and lie down and chill, similar to the one by the pool. This would be And they have a little area here for kids as well, where kids can play. It has a name on the front, but I don't know the name. So we're leaving the water park. And I'm showing you the kiddies play area. So it's free for children and under 2, but you can pay for the other children over 2, and you can bring them here for them to have some fun. It's a pretty cute area. And it seems as if this is a little daycare section. Not open, but if you can see, it's a little daycare area where the babies can stay and play while you go get a massage at the spa or something.